So the next point which we have to discuss is the sidebars of, the topics which are mentioned in the sidebar of ChatGPT. Those are new chat, search, library, project, plugins, and Codex. Let's start then. You can see ChatGPT now. So the very first thing is called new chat. So in new chat, let's start with the most important option. That is something called new chat. Every new conversation starts from here. Okay. So if you want to ask a completely different question or begin a fresh project, click new chat. Right. So let's start with a fresh conversation. Let me ask one question. What is AI? Okay. It's giving me, I'm not being very precise, but I just said, so it has given me the fast answer that all you can see: chatbots, recommendation system, navigation app, self-driving car, and all that. Right? It is, discussing about some of the types of different types of AIs as well. Right? So that is there. Okay. My next question is, I'm not asking in this. Okay. Let me click the new chat. So what is AI? That is something which we have just searched. It is going to the recent. That's going to the history. After that, I have started a new chat. And here I wanted to write a Python program for simple. Okay. It has written it. You can see it has written the code. You can take the code and you can paste it in any of the IDE and can run its working code. And the final example also, like example output also, it is giving us. Okay. So ChatGPT is treating both of them. Like what is AI, which I have explained earlier. So that was another chat. And Python calculator program is the another chat. So it is treating both of them as a separate conversation. It's not mixing what is AI and it's creating a calculator based on AI. It is not like that at all. What else we can do in this? Let's say I wanted to go to the next. I'm taking the new chat, right? I want to, here with new chat, what all options are there? First of all, I will show you the option called add photos and files, right? So if I wanted to add a file, instead, what I will do, I will just click on add and I have my CV, my profile that I have attached to it. Okay. Now allow me to go to the next tab. I'll go to search for AI jobs on LinkedIn. Okay. 1,000 plus artificial intelligence jobs are there in India. I'm just considering that I wanted to become AI ML engineer. Accenture is a company where this requirement is seen from. Let it get start. So here you can see AI specialist, research, innovation. Okay. Now your profile and resume match the required qualification as well. So I'm just telling it, taking the about the job. Okay. Okay. Let me just open it completely. I have taken all the things which were there in the job requirement on LinkedIn. I am copying it. Let's go back to the ChatGPT. I have already attached my profile. Let's go back to the ChatGPT. And I would say that paste. After pasting, I'll just give a space and write, update my resume so that I can get selected, or my profile can get selected for the mentioned job. Kindly remove my phone number and email from the CV. Okay. And that's it. I will go click on send prompt. It will take some time. Now you can see this has, to maximize your chances, I would make these changes. It is asking us change the headlines. Here I'm senior corporate technical trainer and Gen AI enablement specialist. It is making me AI specialist, generative AI. So it is suggesting me that you rewrite. Okay. But I would say that why would I rewrite when I'm using it? So I am getting this document. If I download it, I am able to see that it is a complete 8 years optimized or 8 years friendly um, resume. There are chances, 90%, 95% chances are there that I can get selected. My profile at least will get selected for this job, right? Because it is going to mention all the keywords in your profile, which is actually mentioned in the job description. So, what happened that when the team is checking using Control F, whether those keywords which are specially mentioned in the job requirement is mentioned in the resume or not. And since it is mentioned, so the chances are very high to get your resume selected for the call, right? This is one thing which you can do. Second thing, I'm not going to the like another new chat, but I can just say that I can talk to it and I can say that can you give me can you give me some questions with answers starting from beginner to the advanced level so that I can prepare for this interview, right? So I have asked a question also and starting from the beginning level. So your AI knowledge, your curiosity and all that, it is saying that based on your this thing, I'm giving you the information. Level 1, beginner AI question. Tell me about yourself. So answer, what is artificial intelligence? Answer, difference between AI machine and all. So this way it is giving you all the questions starting from beginner level to intermediate level to the advanced level, right? I will show you how many questions are in total there. You can list out that I want 100 questions. I want, see, this is level 7, where it is talking about like 10 years old experienced person who can answer about LLM and chat GPT, right? So all the advanced algorithm, including AI risk and all that. So also it is talking about the, interview tip and all. See how simple and useful it is, right? So don't use ChatGPT in such a way where we are just giving one liner question, it is giving one liner answer. Then you are giving another line and it's so, yes, if you will go to what is AI and say, ask it, can you give me some questions for preparation of my interview? Let's see whether it has clue or, okay, so it has the clue. It is actually giving us the information about. But is it asking about the same thing we are looking forward for? So we can just mention that what exactly we are looking forward for, but then yes, it is linking and it has given the questions based on whatever job we have, a job requirement we have posted, right? So this is one of the use of your new chat and multiple new chat. And the next one is, I hope the previous one you have understood clearly. If in case you have any doubt, you are always open to write in comment. I will be giving you another video link or video, some description or the answer in the comment only so that your concepts will be clear, right? Let's go to the next one. The next one is nothing but search, right? If you've been using ChatGPT for a while, you will probably have hundreds of chat. Instead of scrolling forever, simply search for a keyword, right? Please remember AI specialist resume tip, Python calculator program, and what is AI. These three I have just typed. Let me go to search. Okay, these three are there already. But someday, let's say I have searched about what is prompt engineering. Let me just type prompt engineering. So it is going to give us like the old conversation, exploring ChatGPT feature, prompt engineering. I have actually searched, I guess not directly what is prompt engineering, but exploring ChatGPT feature, and I'm just getting the 20 best prompt formula and all that. So answers I have got related to that. This is something called all. I'm so sorry. I'll tell you. This is something called all. In all, we have chat also, we have images option also, right? In this one, you can see the images which I have looked for, related to prompt engineering, I think I have not seen that. Documents related to prompt engineering, I guess no, I have not searched yet. And the project, of course, but then of course not. So, but then you can understand what the search is all about, right? So you can search your any of the thing. You can check whether it is giving you the correct option or not. You can have the clear option as well after writing the search. Closing over here. So I hope the search is clear for you. The next option is library. So the library is where your AI generated creations are stored. All right, let me open it. So whenever you create image or other supported assets, they can be found here for easy access. Let's go and check. I have just created a resume, right? And I have, before that, I have just added one of my resume, and I have added some of the, like I have created some of the images and required MP4 and all. So all the things are mentioned here in. I've created one Apple's image to show the image generation. So all the pointers it is showing. If you want it to be specific by image, you can just see the images, and you see below it's just showing the images. If you wanted to go ahead with just files, you can see that. So it is storing the generated images and easy to revisit creations, right? And you can download or reuse pre-work or previous work, and keeping creative assets organized. You can just have make it new folder wise note and all that. And since it is too huge because so many things you have done, so you can search it also if you remember the keyword, right? So these are the like previously generated images. I would like to open one for you. So you see, I have created it yesterday, but I'm able to open it now. Okay, so that's coming from the library. Okay, let's go back to the library. Okay, now the favorite one, my favorite one, project. Okay, let me open it and let me create one for us. Okay, so I'm just creating one project called AI course, which we are currently working with. I'm creating the project. Okay, so AI course is created. In that, you can add your files. Let me add the file. For AI, what all files I have, I'm going to add an AI. This is one of the PDF. I wanted to create one image also. Create image of ChatGPT features. Okay, let it create. Upload is going on already. All right, it has created. Now the image is there. I wanted to add some more. I related, so I will be adding some of the data sets in CSV format that I have added. Also, I can upload some more stuff here. So the CSV is about what it can create the image. Because create image was already in that mode, it was there. If you want to skip, you can skip. Right. So if I have already interrupted it, I don't want to create the image. So I've just interrupted it by clicking on this one, stop answering. After that, if I go to project and check about my project, AI course, in that one image of ChatGPT is created. You can see that. And if you go to source, you can add the sources. I would like to upload something from my system. As I said, in my system, product.csv file is there. So I have one GenAI related document. I'm adding that. Right? I can just have a question about it. So in chat, whatever I have done, it is saved in chat, and in source, whatever I have added, it has it has added. Basically, what is this all about? Don't get confused about it. So inside one project, you can upload PDFs, you can upload Word documents, you can upload Excel sheets, you can upload PowerPoints, store multiple charts, and give project instructions as well. So you can continue work anytime. You don't have to like search for those data. So in your project, all the data is already there. You can just continue working with that, and you can ask the questions, right? And like, let's say if I talk about real time, So any real life example. So if suppose I already have data about my business, so anytime I wanted to make a presentation or I wanted to make a report, I can just go there and I can write in chat that make a report of a particular month sale, or what will be the, I mean, kind of a prediction of the next, or next month or next 3 months sale. That is something possible with the project. Please try it and check it. So the next one is plugins. Plugins means something, something external tool that can be connected over here. So when you click on plugins, you can see ChatGPT can connect with external tools like GitHub. Maybe you are aware of GitHub, you are aware of document, you are aware of data analysis. So it can, connect you with that. I can show you a small demo. When I click on GitHub, okay, it's saying try in chat. One of my GitHub account is there already connected. So I will just disconnect it. And I would like to install this plugin. So since already my GitHub account is there, you can try with your own GitHub. Go and take the permission. GitHub is installed. You can try in chat. Okay, I would like to just show what is plugin and what is plugins in ChatGPT, how it helps us. It will give you the answer, right? You can allow, it allows you to analyze data set and generate reports, read, summarize. So you can just connect with different tools from here only, from ChatGPT only. So you can connect with your spreadsheet, you can connect with your GitHub repositories, you can connect with your PDFs and the other. Let's say from the GitHub repository you have one project already and you want to connect and you want to run over here. That is possible with this. I'm planning for a further video where I will just give you small project and I will tell you to add in GitHub repository, and later I want that data to be taken from ChatGPT and run, right? So depending on your plan and depending on your requirement, you can connect and you can enable the connector, right? So as of now, I have just enabled my GitHub connector. Nothing else I have added. Right. So overall, if you have seen that, we have discussed about new chat, search, library, project, and plugins. The last part is something called Codex, something which I wanted to discuss with you. So Codex is, the word is saying the meaning that Codex, right? So when we say Codex, we are actually, let me just open it for you. You can see it is available. Maybe sometimes you are using the older ChatGPT version, it is not. So Codex is designed for software development. Instead of only answering coding questions, it can help understanding code bases and assist with the programming workflow, right? So you can just download it for Windows and you can work with the Python code, Java code, React, and Node, and other codes. And also, it will be giving you if you are suggesting that what could be the requirement of your project, based on that, it will give you a correct workflow. Okay, so it's very powerful coding agent and it's connected to the ChatGPT now. Let me go back. Right, and in more, the option is creating the image. So you can generate the image by, I would like to take the messy mode only. And this is one of my image. I'm choosing it. Let's see how does it. So make my hair color of the country flag of the team I support, but keep it natural looking and all that. Right. And I would say, so it's saying which team you support or which country flag would you like me to use. I don't remember, but it's giving me, as I'm an Indian, so I would support India only. And it's asking me, of course, Indian country flag. So I'm just writing India. It will understand all other stuff. The image which I've given is not very, the face is recognized properly. But if you will give the proper image, you will be able to see. So let's see what it shows. All right, you can see the my hair color and somewhat, I have, you can see greener side and the country's flag in my hair. So that's kind of a messy mode. Lots of modes are there that you can try, and you can just go to this edit option, which is newly introduced. You can go to the edit option. It'll edit means it'll focus only on this image only, and you can edit in this image. Yes. So that is about your image mode. Otherwise, you can create the image, you can write write chat, you can uh, have a question answer with that. So many options are there. So in next video, I am genuinely going to talk about some good features like voice mode, canvas, file upload, and also most importantly, data analytics, and talking about cleaning data and what is exactly the study mode and deep research mode that we are going to discuss in further session. So stay tuned for the further information. Any doubts, any question, please add in the comment. Thank you so much, everyone. See you.